Hello, good morning. We're on our way down to check the water level on the road.
On the river.
On the river. Okay. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay.
And wildlife around. Nothing.
Our neighbor over there. Mailbox. That's our mailbox.
Why are you whispering?
Nothing.
I can't see any water down here.
So that means good.
Yeah.
No water over there.
It's gone
Mostly
down. Gone
it's
down.
flooded there. Good for us. We can go to town. But not this time.
Closer.
Let me check. Ah, yeah, there's water down the road. It's water we cannot pass through. Looks like
2 meters.
2 meters high, the flood. So that's our way out. But we
Not
could not able to do it today. So we're going to
Maybe
reverse.
tomorrow, next day.
Going to reverse. Look, reversing.
Are you looking at the back, are you?
Reversing slowly. Reversing. The car is reversing. Sorry. Then forward. 3-point turn.
Maybe 4.
No, 4.
No, maybe 3.
Maybe 3. This is our life here in Australia. If there's a heavy rain, actually, what's the news, John? The news that 2/3 of
Australia, raining.
Australia is raining. In the news, there's a house floating
Down the river.
down the river. My goodness.
It's gone down. Is that enough?
Yeah, no, Jen. Yes.
Not going down there.
No. Going back. Our driveway. That's how it is. That's our driveway. Stiff.
Stiff.
Very stiff.
Steep.
Steep. Very steep. Steep. We're back home. That's the birds of paradise. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, likes, and subscribes. Bye bye.